I want you to now lightly turn your gaze to the future. I want you to imagine your best possible future. 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now. Think about it. COVID was in the background. We'd gotten the vaccine. There was no other virus hanging out. Think about it. 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, you pick the timeline. And I want you to think about these 4 questions. Where would you be? What would you be doing? Who would you be with? And how would you want to feel? 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now, where would you be? What would you be doing? Who would you be with? And most importantly, how do you want to feel? Everything had gone well. The universe had transpired. Everything was opening up for you. There were no obstacles. Your courage was forefront. Think about it. And maybe write in the chat one of those things. Where would you be? Who would you be with? What would you be doing? How would you want to feel? What is that dream, that idea that you keep putting off to the sidelines because you're too busy being busy? What is that whisper that was placed on your shoulder? What is that dream that was given to you that you just can't ignore? It's almost annoying. And think about that, because that, my friend, is your why. What is your why behind why you show up on Zoom, in person, out in the park? What is your why behind your workouts that you give to your clients? Because when we know our why of why we show up, we will not quit on our dreams. Because here's the thing, you and I, we will quit on our dreams long before they quit on us. What is your why? And then here's another question. What is the why of your clients? Why do your clients show up? What is their why behind the workout? What does your client do? Your clients, where do they want to be 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now? If we do not know that answer, if we only are measuring the metrics of fitness, we will never be the transformational leaders that the world is calling us to be. And the world needs you and this community now more than ever. But here's the thing, my friend. This can no longer be the definition of success. I love this industry. And this is where I think we got things maybe a little skewed. We made this the definition of our success. But this is just the vehicle to move our body into a life of our dreams. And more importantly, this is the vehicle for our clients and their dreams. Do we know our clients' dreams? If not, why not? Where does your client want to be 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now? What is their why behind the workout that will turn their impossible into I'm possible? Because when we know their why, that's how we kick in that intrinsic motivation. It's not about the right workout. It's about the right why. So maybe as an industry, we can begin to measure different metrics. So we know about the barreling ropes and all the great things that we bring to our clients each day. But what if it wasn't just about barreling ropes and strengthening bodies? But what, in addition to that, alongside that, we also helped our clients and possibly ourselves battle our internal doubts. These ideas that we're too unfit to get fit, that we're too old to get started, that we don't look the perfect form to be a leader in this industry. And what if also we can help them strengthen not only their bodies, but their belief in themselves, both inside and outside of a Zoom room or a facility or a park? And we allow them not only to strengthen their bodies, but their belief in themselves, so they know they are worth living a life of their dreams. And as we talk about heart training and the importance of heart rate variability, and we help our clients strengthen their heart rate and the ability to adapt to the ups and downs of life through our interval training. What, in addition to that, not in replacement of that, what if in addition to that, we also help them do the heart rate variability of resilience? Resilience, my friend, is training. It's interval training for our clients' dreams. Resilience is not something you can practice for. If anything, 2020 has allowed us all to strengthen our resilience. It happens in practice. And when we help our clients not only adapt their heart rate, but also their mindset, it will allow them to ride the ups and not wait for the shoe to drop. And in the deep and the dips of life, because that will happen, it will allow them to say, this too shall pass. And for you and I in this incredible community, it allows us to step into this pyramid of resilience. I am, I have, and I can. I am is you. It is your strength. It is everything that you pull on daily. And we'll talk a little bit more about the importance of knowing our strengths in a moment. This is you. This is the you that shows up daily. I am. And then there is I have. Resilience doesn't happen in a vacuum. You have this community, the people in the chat, the people in your team, the people you work alongside with. This is a team effort, my friends. And then you have I am, I have, I can. I can is a willingness to show up and to say, I don't know how to do this yet. I haven't learned how to figure this out yet. It shows a willingness to step up outside of everything that we know and be that change agent and work from our strengths and know there is still work to do and have a willingness to ask for help when we need it and offer help when we feel strong and someone else is suffering. And then as important as we know it is to stretch and strengthen and make our bodies pliable and flexible in our bodies so we can keep a pliable body for our dreams, isn't it also important to help our mindset of our clients stay flexible and pliable so they can move from a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset, so they can step into their confidence, into their courage, and help them reconsider, reframe, reimagine their best possible future that this amazing vehicle called their body will take them into.